Welcome to Island Hikers Visit to Grenada. Island Hikers will be visiting Grenada on Thursday the 2nd of June to Sunday the 5th of June. Day 1 of the tour, we will do a bus drive around the island and do short hikes to 4 different waterfalls. The falls you are seeing in the background is called Concord Falls number 1. It is located on the western side of the island. In the Concord area, there are many waterfalls. The first fall we will visit is Concord Falls number 1. This second waterfall is called Concord Falls number 2, or sometimes called Coin Waterfall. It's a 30-minute walk from the first waterfall to get to the second waterfall, all located in the Concord area. This is the third waterfall in the Concord area. This is called Concord Falls number 3. If you look to the right, you will see another small waterfall. Getting to these two waterfalls from Concord number 2 is a half-an-hour walk. After we leave Concord Waterfalls, we will now take a 45-minute drive to the eastern part of the island, where we will visit Royal Mt.Carmel Waterfall, as seen in the picture. The hike to Royal Carmel Waterfall takes 20 minutes.
Up in the hill, the job coming, and we moving still. Out in the streets, all over the town, the job coming, he running you down. Martian music.